Hello and welcome back to the channel. You are here because your Google storage space is almost filled up, right? So you know you can clean up a lot of space in just few clicks. So I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to free up your Google storage space. Now let us dive right into it. Open your Google Drive on your computer. And here we are going to click on where it says storage by the left hand side. Click on storage. It's going to show us everything that you have in your storage space. So you see more storage are taken by my Google Photos. And here we have other things that are taking more storage. My Google Drive is taking 920 megabytes, and you see my Gmail is taking 363. So this is how you're going to see everything that is taking storage on your Google Drive. So we are going to come to where it says clean up space. Once you click on clean up space, yeah, it's going to open this page where you can review all these files and delete whichever one that is not needed. So we're going to go to emails in the bin and review. So here you're going to see all the emails in your bin that have been deleted, and we're going to, at this left side, you're going to click on, if you want to delete, if you've reviewed all the emails in your bin and you want to delete everything, you click on this first box text, then it's going to highlight everything. If you want to highlight select them one by one, you can select this one, select whichever one that you want to delete. You go to delete. So make sure that before you click on delete, you don't need any of these files again, because once you delete them, it's going to permanently delete. This will permanently delete emails and attachments. So you're going to click on delete all, and see here it's going to show you that you've gotten a certain amount of storage back. That is how you're going to go back to every of these files here and review all of them and delete what is not needed. I know you found this video helpful. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips I'm going to be dropping. Thank you.